Okay guys, I got Dranbuster because he released today. Look at it, not me, look at it. Dranbuster! And also Sharkedge. Okay. Because why not? Also there's a new Beyblade crib, the 01. I just don't visit the 01 anymore. So hooray! Put the recording here. Wait, don't show the code. Don't steal my code. Stealing code is bad. Put it here. Comes with a launcher, the bay itself, and manual. I'm taking 9 years to open this. I didn't bring my cutter, so. Oh no! Oh shit! Blue launcher! Blue is made for me, guys. I love Dranbuster. I love the Dran series, bro. Can you guys tell? I love Dran Tiger so much. Open. Okay. If you guys can't hear me, I'm sorry, but it is very loud here. I'm trying my best to talk louder. I'll probably just increase the volume in editing. Open! Fresh new ripcord to use. I love the blue color though. Might use it. Whoa. Feels good. Okay, now for the main part. Dranbuster! Dranbuster! So shiny. Buster Excalibur. The 160 and an XL beat, but I'm never gonna use it. I'm just gonna put it here so you can get a good shot. Maybe like, I'll just put it like that. Yeah. Okay. So the parts for Dranbuster are Dranbuster 160 and XL. The 160 is supposed to align with Dranbuster, so there's more impact, but I honestly, it doesn't really matter. So yay! One unboxing done. Let's get to the other one. Where's my shark? Okay, that's my shark. Sharkish time. I honestly like this color. I don't really care about the parts, even though the parts aren't that bad, I guess. But oh, it censored out the code. If you're wondering where Beyblader 101 is, he's in the army now, so he can't turn up for events like this. Shit. Yeah. So my man's not here. I'm just soloing the unboxing with another person right now. Oh fuck. Hooray! Shark! The blue looks so good, bro. Where's the hole? I found it. Blue shark! Looks like Pepsi though. Pepsi shark. I'm gonna call it that now. From now on. What am I talking about? Is it paint? It's painted. Very nice. And gear flat, which I will never use because it sucks. Okay, more like I suck. I don't know how to use gear flat, guys. Please don't laugh at me. Gear flat is just too hard. Please focus. Okay, sick. So the parts for Sharkedge are Sharkedge 560 and gear flat, the red one. You can actually put it with Phoenix Wing and make a really nice red color. Phoenix. Hooray! Hooray! And just put it together. Yay! Blue shark, blue shark, blue shark. Dranbuster, Dranbuster, Dranbuster. Okay, I'll just put it like that. So you can get a clean shot again. Yay! Okay, thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.